Hey, come over here, all of you, everybody.
My wife is still
Right. Let me get you over here. Where's your wife?
inside the room. He messed up.
Okay, go over here.
Can't lock it anymore.
Go over here. Can she get out?
I can get her through the window.
Wait. Yeah, get her out through the window. Go over here. Go over here, guys. Yeah, get her out. Get her out.
Everybody.
Get her out. Get the wife out. Get the wife out. Get the wife out. Get her out. Get her out.
In there?
No, it's just him.
Is he in there?
Yeah, he's in there.
Wait. Hey, heads up. Is he in here? Is he in this room?
No.
He's in one of the bedrooms.
Oh, he's right there. You guys get that. You guys stay here, okay?
Yeah.
Hey, get your beanbag. Go get your beanbag. Okay. Okay, you got beanbag. You got DCO. Watch that right there. Get that right there. Get that right there.
We got it.
You guys got the front door too. Hey guys, I need you all the way to the corner. All the way to the corner. What's his name? Leave it alone. All the way in the corner. In the next unit that shows up, have them hold the front door. How did they get through the back over there?
They're in the back room.
Okay.
Yeah, we're about 2 minutes out.
Yeah, he's right here. So watch, you guys got this right here, okay? This door's open, this is empty. 690120. Hold the frequency. Show me his incident commander.
6120, that's commander.
Hey guys, turn the light on. Leave it on. Leave it on. He knows we're here. It doesn't matter. He knows we're here, guys.
Jonathan!
Okay, hold on. DCO, okay? I need you to give the beanbag to somebody else. Okay, he's got a 40. You're gonna do all the communications, okay?
Sounds good.
So, I got TK and Barbara holding the number, the one side. Okay, so we're gonna call 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
No, he's going back in.
Okay.
You say he's still armed, kitchen knife?
Okay. Jose, go ahead and start giving commands.
Hey, Jonathan, it's the LAPD, man. I need you to come out, all right? We want to help you. How can we help you today? Can you drop those knives for me, please?
Yeah.
Were you able to verify with Barbara and TK if everybody's out?
We got everybody out.
What's that?
Yeah. So, hey guys, as a matter of fact, let's redeploy. Let's start holding all the 4. Okay, start giving him commands if he comes out.
All right, man, come out with your hands up, man. You're gonna come out.
Hey guys, we're gonna surround the house, okay? He's inside by himself, so let's just start covering all the doors and windows, all right? So slowly, let Garcia cover Schlitz. Epton, go ahead and start coming out. And then slowly start backing out, and let's start covering all the 4 corners.
Hey, 2 knives. Yes, 2 knives. Jonathan, check it out, man. We're not trying to hurt you. But look, we're not gonna go anywhere.
Hey.
Let's go to the front. Go to the front. Go to the front. Go to the front. Hey, Bernie, go to the front. You got knives. Hey, right here. Hold. Hold right here. Hold right here. Hold right here.
Jonathan.
Outside. Hey, okay. Do not move. Hey, everybody, hold it.
Come back to the window. He's got 2 knives in his hand now. He's out here. Jonathan. Come back to the window and talk to me, man. You got that for the frontal? We don't want you to get hurt. He's going towards the front. Going towards the front. Jonathan.
Left side.
He's driving towards you guys.
Hey, okay. Do not move. Hey.
Hey, everybody,
Hey, everybody, hold it. He's driving towards you guys.
Okay.
Do not move.
You guys shield up. Shield up.
Hey, everybody, hold your positions. Hold your position.
Where's the knife?
One with you.
Let me get it out.
Hey, let me get it out. Let me get the LAPD up here.
His hand.
Everybody hold your
Everybody
position.
hold your position.
Okay, did he stab himself?
No, he's got it in his hand. He's got it tucked by his wrist.
Okay, let's get gloves on and let's get him some empty.
Gloves. Anybody shot for him? We're coming. Gloves.
Everybody hold your position.
It's in his right hand.
Hey, Moretta, get up here. We got
Roger, they're coming.
We got him down. We got him down. We got gunshot wounds. You got gloves.
Let's go around the bush. Let's go around the bush. Go around the bush.
Sorry, got
Got him right here.
We should go around this bush right here.
Yeah, go around the bush.
Wherever you see the knife, just leave the knife on the ground. Don't move it.
Hold on.
Let's grab his right hand.
Where's the knife at?
In his right hand.
Okay.
Sabrina, get up here with him.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Where were you turning around?
yeah, across the room.
No, you're good.
You got him?
I got
Yeah, once we move up,
I got him.
just roll him over.
Oh, nice.
You get it?
You got the cuffs or you want me to?
Hey guys, hold your position.
Should we turn them on the side, sir?
Just flip them on the side.
Hey, you got a coming up?
Roger.